Hello everyone and happy Earth Day. Today we are going to be making bird feeders out of materials you can find at your home. The first one we are going to do is out of a toilet paper roll. Super easy and very environment friendly. So the first thing you need is a toilet paper roll and peanut butter. All you have to do is take the peanut butter and coat it on the outside and the inside of the roll. Okay, so now that our roll is coated in peanut butter, you take it and you roll it in birdseed. I bought this type of birdseed and I got it just at the Dollar General. So you want to roll it really good and get some extra birdseed in the center. Now that you have it on, you can get any missed spots with the peanut butter and sprinkle the seed on. Okay, now we have a complete bird seed feeder, and you can take string and tie it on so that you can hang it, or you can just set it out on its side. So for taking string, all you have to do is thread it through the middle of the toilet paper roll. And tie it around. Then you can hang it on your porch or on a tree branch, and it is easily accessible for the birds. There we have a toilet paper roll bird feeder.